Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI trading bot platform, which is Trojanbot and Bonkbot. So to get started about the two platforms, so Bonkbot is often a favorite, blazing fast execution and extreme simplicity, particularly if your strategy involves rand quick buying and selling meme coins. Its direct integrations with Telegram's streamlined interface and voting through a Jupiter provide an incredibly efficient experience for swift traders, make it ideal for those who prioritize speed and ease of use above all else in the volatile meme coin market. On the other hand, Trojanbot offer a more comprehensive suite of features that can be beneficial for meme coin trader beyond just raw speed, while also very fast. Trojan includes advanced functionalities like MEV, protection, various other types, and a multi-wallet management and a robust portfolio analytics. The features can give traders more control over their entries and exist personality open with a risk management or more northern strategies. Even in the fast-paced meme coin world, ultimately Bonkbot excel in raw speed and simplicity for quick flips, while Trojanbot provide a broader set of tools for those seeking more advanced control and analytics, even when hunting for that exclusive 100 times coin. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.